Hello, boys and girls. We're going to continue to develop our understanding of counting and writing to 10 today for math. So to start us out, we're going to take a look at this group of fish. And at the top, it says how many. So looking at this group of fish, can you tell someone near you, how many fish do you see in this picture? Thumbs up if you said there are 5 fish in this picture. Could you tell there were 5 fish without counting? Did you have to count to make sure there were 5 fish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice job. Now I'm going to circle some fish. Without counting, how many fish did I circle? Yes, I circled 2 fish. Let's try another one. Without counting this time, how many fish did I circle? Yes, I circled 3 fish that time. Let's do one more. How many fish did I circle that time? Did you say 4? Boys and girls, were you able to notice the 3 fish I circled last time? But I just added one more to that group to make 4? Nice work, friends. All right, we're going to be looking at our workbook page now, and we have a picture of some animals and some plants and bubbles under the sea. And I want you to notice some of the groups that you see in this picture. So pause the video, and I want you to put a ring around the different groups that you see in the picture. Did you circle some groups in the picture? Maybe you circled the group of yellow fish or the group of orange fish. There's also some blue fish and a little seahorse by himself. Maybe you put a ring around some of the groups of leaves down here or the group of rocks. There's even a group of bubbles over here. Nice job. All right. Now, I want you to talk with someone near you at home or at school. What are some things that are the same about some of the groups in this picture? Did you talk about how some of the groups have the same amount of objects? Let's take a look at some of those groups. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 yellowfish. And there's also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bubbles. So some of the groups have the same amount of objects. Did you also talk about how some of the groups have the same type of object? Like the yellow fish and the blue fish up here and the orange fish? All of these groups are groups of fish. Boys and girls, did you also notice how some groups on this page have even smaller groups inside of them? Let's take a look at the bubbles. Boys and girls, do you notice some smaller groups inside this group of bubbles? I notice that there's 4 large bubbles, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 small bubbles. So 2 little groups inside one big group of bubbles. I also kind of see that down here with the rocks. There's some large rocks and there's some small rocks. Lots of things we notice about the groups on this page. All right, friends, for this last workbook page, we're going to be matching the groups of orange fish at the top with the groups of bubbles on the bottom. We're going to draw a line to groups that have the same amount. So I'm going to do one first, and then you're going to finish the rest on your own. So let's take a look at this first top group of fish. I'm going to count them to see how many fish there are. And as I count, I'm going to mark, I'm going to cross out each fish so that I make sure that I touch each one of them just one time, and so that I also make sure that I don't accidentally skip any fish while I'm counting. Are you ready to watch me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to put the number 7 up here just to remind me that that is the last number I counted. So that tells me there are 7 fish. Okay, I have to find out what group down here has 7. Let's try this one. Ready? I'm going to mark them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This group has 7 as well. So these two match. Can you pause the video and try the rest on your own? Did you try the rest? Did you match the top to the bottom to see which groups have the same amount? Did you try crossing out the objects as you counted? Did you make sure to just touch one time with your finger as you counted? All right, I'm going to try this next group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there are 10 fish in this picture. So I'm going to put the number 10 because that is the last number I counted. So that tells me how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, this group has 8. So 10 and 8, those are not the same. So let's see how many are in this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 fish in this picture. So these two groups match. All right, last one down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This group down here has 10 as well. So this will match this group up here. Wow. Nice work today, boys and girls. I will see you all tomorrow to practice some more math together. Bye.